to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair almost every single day. If you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, anywhere here, you would see that I have my hair curled almost every single day. And I got a ton of questions on how I curled my hair for my wedding. I did my own hair and makeup, and I got a ton of questions on how I got the curls that I got, which it's the same method I do always. I just used a smaller curling iron and I just did tighter curls, and I used a lot of hairspray. But I'm going to show you everything I use. I'm going to show you how I do it, the method. What I do for looser curls is the same method I do for the tighter curls, like I did on my wedding day. And my curls do last really long, so if I do the tighter ones, like the ones I did on my wedding day, from the time I did them until the night, they looked perfect all night long for my wedding, which was perfect. And then also the next day, I didn't wash my hair on my wedding night, but the next day I still had curls. That's how my curls always are. I do my hair, like if I'm curling it, I wash my hair like once a week-ish. And I curl my hair one day, and then it'll last 2 to 3 days, and then I'll like freshen it up, and then it'll last like another day or two, and then I will wash it. But yeah, I don't want to ramble on too much. We're just going to get right on into it. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a looser wave just because that's the mood I'm in, but the method is exactly the same if I were to do tighter curls and so on. So today I'm using what is this? The Bio-Ionic 1 1/4 inch long barrel curling iron. This one's really great for long hair. As you can tell, it's like a super long barrel. Now this is a pricier curling iron, and you don't need a super expensive curling iron. Another really good one, which I will show you. This was actually the curling iron I used on my wedding day. It's my mom's. My husband Bradley got it for her for Christmas, and this is a Babyliss Pro, and it's a 1 inch curling iron. It's clearly the difference between these is the barrel size and how long the barrel is on this one. That really gives you the perspective. It's really good for long hair. But this one's about like 50 bucks, I think. Don't quote me on that. I think though it's around that price. So it's a lot more affordable than that one. So just a good curling iron. This one's really, really good. I love it for tight curls. It's amazing. But brand, she gave it to me. I don't. It's like a lightweight hairspray, and spray it through your hair beforehand and then brush it through so it's just coating all over your hair to make the curls last. Your hair does not need to be stiff for it to last, like for the curls to stay. So yeah. And then curl it. I mean, brush it through. I just start from the front and I go around. I don't split my hair in any kind of section, but I grab a section. This is about how big I'll grab it. Towards the front, I do smaller sections for just a little bit more of a defined curl, and then curl and iron. This is what I need to explain. Oh, Oakley is going right through the tripod. Oakley, what you doing? Come here. So I feel like this is the first step I need to explain, is when using a clip curling iron, which is how I curl my hair. This is the left side of my body, this side. So I'll be curling it first. And I curl my curls away from my face, so this way. And so on the left side, to curl away, you need the clamp to be forward, like facing that way towards you guys. And then you grab the section of hair. It's away, so it's like on your pointer finger. And then you just put it in there and you start twisting away from your face. Now a bunch of people have asked me, like, how do you not get a cramp at the end? Because when I get that. When I first started trying to learn how to use a clamp, I would always get a cramp at the end of my hair, which I don't anymore. Which I just did that curl. I like to kind of do the ends flatter, but I didn't on that one. But that's the first curl. Basically, if you do it the way I just explained it, you shouldn't get a clamp or a cramp on the end. So in front, goes on the hair away from your face. Just go down. Like this first section, I did it all the way on the barrel. This one just about to. This is really good for that. And then you can kind of twist them off like this, or just pull them straight down. And then I like to normally pull the ends a little bit. Like I said, I'm doing a looser curl today, so yeah. But the same exact method, if I were using this curling iron, and like for my wedding curls, I did them very tight. I will insert a picture right here from the TikTok I made where you can see them before I combed them through, and you can see they're very tight. Yes, same exact method on how I'm doing it. It's just tighter with a smaller barrel. All of that. So I am just going to do this throughout my hair. I hope I explained that well. Once you get a hang of it, it's literally so easy and you will never go back to using a wand or anything else. So just keep that in mind. Work on it and you will get it, because I didn't get it forever and then I finally did get it. So yeah, I'm just going to do that throughout my entire head. Something that I want to mention about today's curls is that my hair is freshly washed. I washed it last night, so I want to mention that curls will always, always, always do better on second, third day hair, just because when your hair is super clean, it doesn't want to hold any product or a curl at all. It's just like wants to fall. That's why I put hairspray in beforehand. But yeah, I just wanted to mention that. So even if your hair is freshly washed and you curl your hair, just know it might not look the best. Like even mine today might not look perfect just because my hair is so clean. So that side is finished. This is what it looks like, and then I just leave it there to cool with the curls. For the right side of my body, my head, I am going to have the clip facing towards me, so this way, towards you. So put your thumb on it and have it towards you, and you just put it in there, and then you can swap and go around this way. And if you are doing that, what I told you, so on the right side you're putting the clamp towards you, and for the left side you're putting the clamp towards facing away from you, you should not have any crimp at the end of your curl. I will show you guys the crimp if you're not sure what I'm talking about to like steer away from. I will show you guys on the bottom section of my hair because I love you. So if I put this for the right side, if I have it like this and I go and I try to go away from my face with it, like this, and then I let go of it, crimp. You get like a dent in your hair. It's not cute. You don't want this. This is not what you want, okay? It's not cute. It really gives you like the biggest, like, do you see this bend? Awful. So don't do that. So now I have this awful bend in my hair. That's what not to do, just so you can see what I'm referring to on why you need to do that. Now, if you want to do the curls towards your face and you're like, I'll grab the same section, you can, if you're doing them towards your face, then you can have it like this, but instead of going this way, you would go this way and it would be smooth and you would have no crimp. So, for away from your face, keep in mind what I said, and then vice versa. My hair smells like it's burning off. Whole side of my head. Same exact as this side, just the way from my face. Okay, I have now curled both sides of my hair, and I'm going to go over again with a little bit of hairspray. I start from the ends of my hair brushing and I go up. Now if I have finer hair, so it works for me, but if you have thicker, coarser hair, this might make it frizzy. Just play around with it, you know, figure out what works best for you. But you might just want to run your fingers through it or use a wide tooth comb, whatever you want. But see, as you can see, with this curling iron and what I did with it, it gave it these really pretty loose curls. Now, the exact same method will give you these curls here, which were on my wedding day, or I'll insert another picture that's just random of my hair curled. It all depends on what kind of barrel width you use. Push this side out now. I never used to know about love. This one's got the funky piece back here, but that's okay. So yes, here is what the really loose curls look like. Now I have seen people straighten their ends, but the way I kind of left my ends out, they are just kind of straight already. But this is just kind of a loose, beachy wave, which I really like, but I'm gonna add some extra dimension in there. But this is with a bigger barrel size and they're loose, but I'm gonna add a few small curls just to add some texture. So I'm going to grab smaller sections from the base, the top of my hair, and grab the curling iron. I'll show you guys closely. I'm going to try to get a little closer. Just put them on there and then start to twist away from your face. Like so. Kind of feel it. Be careful. Twist off. Go down. Twist off. Go down. And twist off. And it creates a twist, sort of. And then you can kind of pull the rest and then just pull through. And I got this really tight little curl. Can you see it? Very small little curl that will give texture. But now this was a really small piece, but I will show you guys a bigger chunk. The same exact way. And pull it off because all my hair will not fit on this little barrel. Pull it off. And pull it through. So these are like what I had for the wedding, cooling the whole time with lots of hairspray because it was a little different than daily hair. But that's what I had all over my head though for tighter curls. And that's what gave me the curls I had for the wedding. Here are my final curls. Now, again, my hair is freshly washed, so they aren't the best they can be, but in like 2-3 days when I freshen my hair up is when they'll be the best. But that's how I curl my hair. I hope I was helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.